sesibukile nenye video ke manje sizobuka uLeftie ingoma kaNasty C simbone lo mfana ukuthi siphetheleni siqale phansi le video sizayibona kahle. Bro got some nice editors though. Chill up one. I must say before we start, ne, kade ngifuna ukuyibona le music video. I've been wanting to grab this music video. Don't forget Leftie. My exes can come back to me cause I'm not where they left me. My exes can come back to me cause I'm not where they left me. Ayakupuka lo mfana, ayakupuka lo mfana. My bitch just gave me a baby, I'm watching her breast. All my praises go to the that baby wearing ice. No. Look at the shaggy ice. Just gave me a baby, I'm watching her breast. I'm a nasty. I need to diamond test then. No. My praises go to the most high cause he blessed me. I can't take my bitch nowhere, she be trying to undress me. I can't take my goon nowhere, he be trying to impress me. I don't really fuck with nobody cause niggas is zesty. I don't even fuck with nobody, niggas is zesty. I thought I was the only one feeling like that, dog. Like, it's a weird feeling that you don't like anyone. You don't actually, you like people but you don't want them near you. You just want your pee on your own, dog. PTSD. I was just broke. Pockets was empty. Ah, boy. Bitch, you gon' fail. You tryna test me. I come from the jungle, yeah.
I scribble a wristy. And I'm not talking about praise, but I tell you since I know what blessing. Take it from park to drive, take a fucking lift. My exes can come back to me cause I'm not where they left me. My bitch just gave me a baby, I'm watching her breast. All my praises go to the most high cause he blessed me. I take it from park to drive, take a fucking
Leftie.
My exes can come back to me cause I'm not where they left me.
Except what race, not race, but it's nasty like a Zulu, Sutu, what is he, dog?
My bitch just gave me a baby, I'm watching her breast. All my praises go to the most high cause he blessed me.
PTSD. Shout out, Davi music video. I saw Blvckie, dog. That nigga's dark. Even the camera couldn't help, dog. But we're mising that one. We're mising that one, dog. But yeah, Davi music video, bro. The bro got nice editors, especially the way it started, dude. Like the way it zoomed in. Let me actually show you all this thing. Love this one. Wait. There we go. Love that effect, dog. Okay, I think I know how to replicate it, but love that effect. It's a dopest effect. It's some pro shit right there, though. The first thing that caught my eye is that. Now, the little baby is wearing. Hey, my dad. Hey, man. Yes. Love this one, XA. I started at such a young age, dog. Shout out, Nasty, dog. Shout out Nasty. Thank you guys for tuning in. Be sure to drop a like and tell me which was your favorite part in this reaction. And if you guys want to see more music reactions, let me know in the comment section, dog. I'm down. Gizoi better. Yeah, I'm Zulu. I'm actually Zulu. I need to speak proper Zulu now, XA. And I'm calling me Zulu. Esqondile. Sikakwanga. Njengendoda yakho.